Hey, we finally got to the airport. About to check in.
Hello to Deanna's vlogs. Why are you so low?
Cause bro, like look at my holding my camera. We're here. We're here, Joanne. You excited? So we just finally arrived to our destination. We haven't told anyone yet.
Delay of 3 hours.
We'll do a montage for you guys so you can see what it is. And Joanne's over there. We have her. We didn't lose her. We'll see you guys in a bit.
100 feet. Arrive at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas.
We're here. Hey guys, so we now arrived to our hotel and Lillian and Joanne just checked in, and we have Eric here too. It's gonna be a fun trip. We're gonna meet them at the hotel. Let's go. We are at Shake Shack and we are in Las Vegas. We just arrived. This tourist taking photos. And we are going to have dinner at Shake Shack's.
Okay, hold on. I gotta make it look nice. Are you filming me?
Oh yeah. Good morning, guys. It is our first day in Vegas today, and we are going to the gym. Me and Lillian have matching shirts. That's Eric, and Joanne is already in the gym. We just finished working out
For like 10 minutes.
Okay, no, it wasn't 10 minutes.
Deanna and I did some 5-pound weights.
Yeah, girl, big weights. And now we're heading off to the pool. Oh my gosh, look at us. So the bad thing about hotels in Vegas is that it stinks and it smells like cigarette everywhere. Thank God it's not stinking in our room. Oh, go up! Press it!
I did.
And you have to do it again.
Oh, it's not. Okay, so in order for us to use the elevator, we have to put the card in.
And out.
And then, oh no, it says, whoa. It didn't turn green. How many people does it oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yo.
This is my scariest thing to be stuck in the
Oh my
elevator. Yo, why
God.
doesn't yours work?
Oh, did you put it next to your phone?
So we are going back to our hotel room to change into our swimsuits.
Deanna, what color is your sports bra?
So me and Joanne are twins. We got the blue shirt. Look at the
You want the sports bra?
sports bra, pink sports bra, black shorts, and like some black shoes. Twins. So we've now changed into our swimsuits. Yeah, come in the mirror, guys. Outfit of the day.
Stairs.
All right, we'll see you in the pool. Bye.
Look at that picture.
We're heading to the pool. As you can see to the right, like a bunch of professional people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be freezing. Oh man. Okay. Hurry. Ah! It's so nice. Oh my God. Where is it? Oh man. Where is it? It's like a jungle. It's so freaking nice. So this is the pool. It's heated to like room temperature, and look at these seats. They're so freaking cute. Picture taken first one is a photographer.
Oh my God, I gotta fix my.
Oh my gosh, it's actually super freaking cold in here. Like we just wanted to take pictures and we're actually freezing. Oh my God, sorry, I'm yo, show this thing.
It's freezing cold.
Oh my God. Oh man, it's nice.
Not what we expected for Vegas.
20 degrees weather, my ass. It looks nice though when no one's here. So Eric already went in the pool. It's cold. How deep is it? Everything for Instagram. We are taking photos and that's the pool. Hey guys, so now we're gonna have lunch at the place called Latai. This is Joanne. She looks so nice today because they have their photo shoot. I have my photo shoot too, and we're trying to cross the road. got the lunch special, which is the 3-color curry. Eric got the green curry, and Lillian got the massaman curry. I'm ready to eat.
Just Lipton iced tea.
Wait, isn't that usually sweet?
No, Lipton sweet tea.
Oh, this smells so good. I don't really like it. You don't like it? Do you like it?
What are you doing?
It's not the Indian curry, it's like regular curry. It's like the...
I'm just waiting for your face to say, ooh, spicy.
Oh man. Lillian and I got the buy one get one Thai tea, and this looks freaking cute. And a tourist like,
Oh no, it's shaking. Oh.
Turn right onto South Maryland Parkway.
so we just finished having lunch. It's my vlog. Lillian just vlogged this, and it was good. And we're now heading.
2.5 miles.
Everyone liked the
Turn
food.
right onto East Deserton Road.
So 2 miles. And we are now heading back to the hotel to get ready for our shoot. Right, Joanne?
Wait, did you say it was $25? I forgot.
What? Which one?
The shoe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, so finally after 2 hours
Have
we
you had one of
finished
those before?
doing our
No,
makeup
this
and
is
we're almost done. We're just waiting for this girl.
What does that mean? I'm just getting money. No, tell me.
Yeah, right. She's been saying that for like 2 hours.
Wait, what does
now.
that mean?
You'll see.
Can you just tell me?
No.
It tastes bad.
No.
Look
Then
at
what could
her
it
makeup.
be?
Try it.
I don't want to try it if it tastes.
So Joanne's trying this protein cookie that he got, and Eric's saying that it apparently he's implying that it tastes bad. So
I didn't say it tasted bad.
you make it seem like it.
I'm confused because it says that. Okay.
Just try
I'm
it.
confused because it says 8 grams per cookie, and it says 16 grams in total. That implies that there's 2 cookies, but there's only 1.
No, 8 grams of per cookie. What do you mean?
It says.
Hey guys, so we just had a quick photo shoot, and we are now having dinner at Peppermill.
Later.
Yeah. What? Yeah, 10 hours later. Yeah. Okay, we're here.
4 to 7.
Oh my gosh.
Really started 2 hours before that.
Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. So we have just been seated at our table at Peppermint Lounge, and Lillian has been picking the best restaurant. So thanks, girl. No problems, girl. So as a side, Eric got the bagel and cream cheese, and Joanne has the rosemary and garlic bread. I'm curious to taste the rosemary bread. Which one is the rosemary?
This is rosemary.
Rosemary bread. I don't like it as much. I like the garlic bread better.
Get some butter.
So as always, Joanne got the steak salad.
Wait, I need to wait for yours.
Why? And then Eric got the chorizo. I feel like yours is a lot smaller. So I got the primal burger as well. Lillian and I matched. Joanne, what are you doing? Get out of my vlog. So Lillian got onion rings and I got the French fry. So we're just gonna split.
Same thing. It's really washing me out.
There's an egg on my, oh my gosh, it's falling.
So there's a half.
How do you
patty,
eat this?
Apples with bacon,
That's what she said.
tomato, lettuce,
Oh man.
a runny egg.
And chipotle
That's already dripping.
Chipotle.
Chipotle aioli.
They're so good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
It's amazing.
Oh my god, my stomach. This is really good. It's really good.
Thanks, Lillian, for choosing the place.
Yeah. You're welcome, guys.
Taking them to Walmart because I love Walmart in America and I want them to see what they have. We're in America right now and I'm just wondering why they sell Kinder.
No,
like,
but it's different. Like, feel it. It's like.
did it have something inside? Yeah, they do. Wait, no. Wait, no, they don't.
But feel it. It's like, what the hell?
Too
is that?
tiny.
Look at
Have you ever seen this kind of Lay's?
No, what the hell? Papa Bowls. So I took Lillian and Joanne to Walmart, and Lillian, what'd you think so far?
Huh? Everything's huge.
Vlog worthy, right?
Yes.
Joanne, what'd you think of Walmart so far?
Better than Toronto.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so excited about this.
It's good. I like Quick Crust. I've had that. I'm not sure about personally.
Oh my god.
See, someone finally understands me. I feel my joy.
Okay,
Feel my joy.
Mix it up, and then you have that for breakfast. Oh my god. That is like the best breakfast
Cocoa
ever.
Puffs with marshmallows.
I don't like marshmallows. S'more bites? This sounds good. S'more bites? Isn't it?
What the hell, Lillian, was that?
This is cereal.
Okay.
Did you even see this?
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't realize that?
So Joanne got ice cream from Walmart, and she asked for pork at McDonald's, and look at her right now.
Turn it to me. Some girl. Some girl over there, they saw you vlogging, they're like, is she a YouTuber?
Oh wow! I thought you were eating with a spoon, and I'm like,
Straw.
They're gonna charge me for a spoon.
how much?
Like 27 cents. I'm like, okay.
So after one full day of being in Las Vegas, finally going back to our hotel to get some sleep and eat some snacks.
Because all we did was we showered.
My hands are fresh.
Okay.
I'll wash the makeup off of my face.
Oh yeah, take my
I'll catch everybody's eyebrows.
what?
Everybody's eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Ugh, I suck at this. How do I do this?
Oh, I need a spoon.
Oh, we forgot to get a spoon. So Lillian,
inside of this.
inside of what?
Oh, you're so smart.
Hey, that's mine.
Even if there's a fork, I'll use it. I actually eat ice cream.
So Lillian was trying to.
Don't film.
Why? It's,
Incriminate.
oh shit!
Whatever.
You have evidence.
Lillian.
Who? What? Jillian. Okay, Jillian. Is that the freezer that she opened? I don't think so.
I think it's locked.
Oh, there you go. No?
It's like.
Anyways, we need a fridge or freezer because Lillian got ice cream and I got yogurt. And we can't finish it tonight, so we need that. Back to the outfit of the night. I have my top from PacSun, and then my jeans are from American Eagle. And inside, I am wearing fishnets. So that's just my outfit for today.
They'll be fine. Okay.
Damn, that's a lot.
Pull it. Oh, do the other one. Pull the other one.
Why?
Pull it. Pull it up.
One quick rip, right?
No, no, it's not one quick rip. Don't do my real lashes.
I need to grab.
Ow! Where is it?
It's
Take it out.
on.
Ugh, okay. Pass. These ones are really light, surprisingly. Oh my gosh, look at that difference.
Because it's natural.
And here's Lillian changing.
No, I'm not.
Hey guys, it's Deanna.
And Eric.
Thanks for watching our video.
And if you like this video, please hit the like button.
Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post new videos. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of our content.
Cue the outro music.
Caught up in my tape.